Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming at you with another wonderful weight loss video for you. Now, this is also a nighttime detox drink. And with this drink, you can lose 10 pounds in 1 week. This is a detox that you drink at night before you go to sleep. All right? So all my late workers that can't do the morning detox, well, here's detoxes that you can do to lose weight at night. All right? So what we're going to need is 2 grapefruits. You're going to need some mint leaves. You're also going to need some Anistar Seeds. Okay. You're going to need some honey. You're also going to need some cinnamon sticks, some water, and some seltzer water. Okay. So we're going to start off by boiling. Now, you're going to need 1 cup of regular filtered water. And you're also going to need a pan. Alright. So we're going to throw that into our pan and start the boiling process. Okay. Next you're going to need 2 sticks of cinnamon. Okay. And throw that in your pot, your pan. Okay. So we're going to blend this for at least 5 minutes. We're going to bring this to a boil. Then we'll be right back afterwards. And you know what too? While your cinnamon sticks is in there boiling, we're going to also put in 1 Anistar seed in the water. Alright, so you add those into your water and bring it to a boil. And we'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so we are back. Okay, so I'm just going to pour the water and the anise into the cup. Next, I'm going to add in my grapefruits. Okay, these are the 2 grapefruits. And I'm also going to add in the mint leaves as well. And next, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of honey. And lastly, I'm going to add in the seltzer water. Lord have mercy. Now y'all know what that means, right? Okay. That means I got to transfer this to my bigger blender. Okay. So I'm going to just transfer everything over to my bigger blender. Okay, and finish putting in my seltzer water. Okay, so now we're just going to blend this up. Okay. So now our blender is ready and we're going to blend this up. Okay, so we are finished. Okay, and you get your Big Mama or Big Papa mug. And this made almost 32 ounces. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to drink this before going to bed. Okay, now don't worry about the amount. Drink this detox just before going to bed every night for 7 consecutive nights, and you are going to be amazed at the results in your body. You could lose 10 pounds in 1 week. So there you go, you guys, your evening bedtime detox drink that you drink right before going to sleep. So thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thumbs up this video, hit that like button if you want to see more videos like this. And also don't forget to check out my other channel, Velvetlox, where you will see hair care, skin care, family challenges, as well as clothing hauls on that channel. And don't forget your straw. Okay, if you're interested in purchasing any of the items that you've seen in this video, look down below in the description bar where you will see the links for the full-size NUTRIBULLET blender as well as the personal size blender, and you'll also see these wonderful metal straws, so you'll get a cleaning brush as well as your straws. So thank you again. Don't forget, I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvetlox. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.